In this video, we will demonstrate how to resolve location conflict when requesting events that repeat. Log into the 25Live application by clicking the Sign In button in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Enter your Emory Net ID and password. We will create an event by clicking the Create an Event button or by clicking the Event Wizard in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Let's click the Event Wizard tab in the upper left corner of your dashboard. Live is now loading the form associated with your security group. Once your form has been loaded, let's complete the elements of the form. Let's create an event name for this form. We will call it Resolving Conflicts. Now let's select an event type. We will choose ANS activity. Scroll down to the event status and select an event status for this event. We will choose draft. Now let's select a primary organization for this event. You can look at any starred organizations that you have, or you can search for an organization by a partial name of the organization. You can go by an index, organization types, categories, or you can create a new organization. Let's search for an organization called Zeta Phi Beta by entering the partial name Zeta. We have two organizations that were found that have a partial name of Zeta: Zeta Beta Tau and Zeta Phi Beta. Let's select Zeta Phi Beta. Now let's scroll down to the event date and time section of the form. We will choose an event that will occur during the week of August 26th. So we'll have a start date of August 26th. The event will start at 10 a.m. It will end on the same day, August 26th, at 11 a.m. We want this event to occur every day for the week of August 26th. So we will go to the event repeats and we will select date. This event repeats every day. It repeats until the 30th of August. You see 5 days associated with your event. The days are August 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, and August 30th. Now let's select the expected head count for this event. We will expect at least 10 individuals for the event. Now let's scroll down to locations for the event. Suppose you have multiple locations that you prefer to use for your events. In this particular case, we're going to look at the Math and Science Center, North Wing, 3rd floor. 25Live will pull all of the locations for the Math and Science Center, North Wing, 3rd floor. Now, let's select multiple locations in the Math and Science Center, North Wing, 3rd floor. We will choose 301, 302, and 303. We have selected rooms N301, N302, and N303 of the Math and Science Centers. Two of the rooms, N301 and N302, have red triangles next to them. That represents that at least one day in the week of August 26th through August 30th will not be available for that particular room. If we would like to fulfill this request, with a preference order of room 301, followed by room 302, and our last preference is room 303, we have to check the availability for each one of those rooms for each day of the week of August 26th. In order to check the availability of the 3 rooms, we must click the Check for Location Resource Conflicts. On the left side of your dashboard, under Event Status, you will see the conflicts associated with your 3 room selections. You will see any conflicts associated with your location selections. Notice for N301, we have a conflict for Thursday, August 29th. For room 302, we have conflicts for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So if room 301 is our preferred room of choice, we can select it for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. It is not available on Thursday. There are no conflicts associated with room 303. So the only day not available for room 301, we can select room 303. In order to select the 4 days that are available for room N301, since room N301 is our preferred location, let's select the Modify Selected Occurrence. And let's remove the 1 day, Thursday, August 29th, which is not available for room N301. Now let's go down to room N303, and we'll modify the select occurrences for that particular room. For Monday, August 26th, we have location N301 already in place. The same thing is true for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. The only day of the week that we still need a viable location is Thursday, August 29th, and we'll let room 303 fulfill that request need. Room 302 was not used for any of the days for this particular request, so we can actually delete that particular location from this request form. Now let's scroll down and complete the rest of our request form. The only thing left on this request form that is actually required is the Emory request policy. Once you have read and agreed with everything in the Emory request policy, select Agree. Now we can click Finish in order to submit the request. At this particular point, 25Live is validating the form, making sure that we've actually completed all of the requested fields on the form, and it's actually saving the form to the database. This event has been successfully saved. On the left side, you will see that there is an event reference number, which is 2013 ABFBVW. You will also receive an email containing this event reference number. You can use that reference number in order to pull up the event at any time using 25Live. Let's go back to the home page of the dashboard, and let's paste the event reference number into the event reference number quick search field. 25Live is now retrieving all of the details for your particular event request. Math and Science Center N301 and Math and Science Center N303. In order to get the details of which location is used for each day, look at the event occurrences, the plus sign at the end of each date. That will give you the actual details for your event. For Monday, we have N301. For Tuesday, we have N301. For Wednesday, we have N301. For Thursday, we have N303. And for Friday, we have N301. and that matches the exact request requirements for this particular event. That concludes this video on resolving location conflicts using multiple locations.